These hands held our first glimpse of you at 20 weeks. The ultrasound tech went quiet. Too quiet. She called the doctor in, and that's when we first heard those four letters. CDLS. I sat there pretending to understand while my world shifted beneath me. These same hands now guide yours through therapy exercises every morning. Back then, I thought those letters meant limitations. I was wrong. I used to fear the silence in doctors' offices. Now I celebrate the sound of your laughter echoing through them. You see, somewhere between that first diagnosis and today, something changed. I stopped seeing what you couldn't do and started seeing everything you could. These hands that once trembled holding medical reports now steady yours as you reach for impossible things and catch them every single time.